Talking about Jolo Aspuria and John Drasir Mauricio, the two youngsters. Matapos natin sabihin na napakagaling nila sa Sargo, dry
break.
Rafael used to get things going last week, and they actually were successful in that matchup that they had against the Makati Titans. May have an easy hide behind those clump of balls dun sa kabila, Mark. Ayan, uno ginamit niya doon.
Aga-aga, espadahan agad, ano? Unexpected naman natin to, of course.
To the finals last season. Uy, ganda nito. That's a two-rail kick. Good contact. This is another safety. Uy, tik pa mag-scratch doon. I mean, that was really risky. May pass the 6. So the ball of concern now will be that red 3. Where do they take it? Do they take it short? Coverage. We're 6-0 pagdating sa King of the Hill. In week number 6, they have a record of 5-1. Sabi ko sa'yo, Resuma Espadahan sa 3 ball. He may have a piece of this 3. A double contact though. But it worked out. Pagagalawin dito ni John L.A. Garde. Does he get a cover behind the 7? Cross-bank attempt. Almost.
Pero may halong insurance yung sinasabi nating tira na yon.
He can stick nga ba? Buti na lang, ganun yung pektos noon. However, this 3 ball is now totally exposed, Mr. Zambrano. When you talk about long shot artist, etong si Drasir Mauricio, who just made that one and will get good position on the 4.
But Kamomot made that strange miss on the side pocket yesterday.
Oo, and this is a strange miss as well.
There's one. Sabi pa ni Jay, subukan ko kaya. Ayun, tapyok yung next na tira.
9 ball. Now it's an issue. Kick shot, kiss off the 9, pasok ang 5. Now the 9 was the target, not the 5. Binagalan pa yung pamato. Does it hide?
I don't think so.
Well, a matchup. Okay na.